it's Libby, and today's video is going to be a prom dress unboxing, try on, first impression video. You guys absolutely love when I make these videos. I love making them. I did a Amazon video, I did a wish.com video, so go check those out. Let me know if you guys want me to order from them again. But today's video is from JJsHOUSE, and basically they were like, yo Lippy, do you want some dresses to try on? I was like, yes please. So yes, this video is sponsored, but as always, we keep this channel real. I'm gonna give you my honest opinions. We're gonna really see if the pictures on the website match the dresses we're getting. You know what I mean? I find this very important. No, I'm not going to prom. I am 23 years old. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old. But the reason I find this video so important is because I was that girl in high school that looked up dresses online, bought my dress online, gave them my measurements, and just hoped it would come. It showed up, it all worked out. But if I had reviews like this back in the day, ooh, I would be living. There's a lot of alternatives. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on prom. You can get a nice dress from online, and so today we're going to check out the quality. Let's see what happens. I'm really excited. Okay, couple of things. I picked out these dresses. I changed colors in a few of them. The measurements, they are custom. I gave them my measurements. I did the very best I could for a girl that was trying to measure herself in the bathroom at work with a coworker at lunch. It was just a thing. Hey Katie, how you doing? We're close now, you know. So I got help getting measured, so let's see if I did a good job, and let's see if these fit. I'm nervous, but so excited. I will put a picture of the product somewhere on the screen. So, okay, let's do this. What are we gonna get today? Okay, so this is a green dress. I've always wanted a emerald green dress, and so I decided to get a dress that was emerald. This one I remember in particular asking for in emerald, and so it came in a different color, and I just asked for this color. Okay, so they're inside out. Let's fix it. Guys, this already looks beautiful. Please tell me this is gonna fit. So I added a couple inches for heels. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear heels in this video or not, but this is what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful, and this definitely reminds me of what I saw. Ooh, sorry, the lighting's kinda bright, hold on. So this absolutely reminds me of what I saw on the website. It doesn't look any different. It looks beautiful. I'm so excited. Please fit me. I just really hope I didn't butcher these measurements, but I will have measurements in the description, and hopefully I already showed it on the screen. Okay, let's try this one on. It's absolutely beautiful. It fits amazing. Will someone take me to go somewhere? This is so beautiful. Look at this dress. I'm so obsessed, and it fits perfectly, and I have enough length to put on heels, and I'm so impressed right now. Oh my goodness, the quality of this is great. I would wear this to prom in a heartbeat. Hello? Look at the back of it too. This is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is amazing. Gorgeous, and I just want to wear this somewhere. I really hope I have a chance to wear these at some point. Look at it. So impressed. I'm shook. I'm so happy, and look how beautiful. I love it. Are we ready for the next one? Okay, we don't know what it is. Oh, it's unzipped. What are we? I know what this one is. This is my favorite dress on the website, and I hope it's just, I'm just so excited. If it's anything like this dress, okay. Let's just open. This is not the most beautiful thing you have ever seen. If I don't go somewhere in these dresses, I'm gonna go do a photo shoot. This looks so similar to what I see on the website, and the color too, like, it's spot on, and I'm genuinely impressed. So this color is what it was on the website, so I didn't change the color like I did this one, but it's beautiful. Please let this fit, and it kind of goes wider. I just feel really lucky right now. Let's go ahead and try this on. I feel like I'm going to like an award show or something. Guys, if I showed up to this in prom, I would be like, heck yeah. And look, there's like a little slit. You guys can't see it yet, I don't think, but there's like a little slit. Oh, in the back. Okay, let me get closer for you guys. So this is what it looks like. The beading, the coloring of it, I'm in love with. I think personally, I wish this was just a tad bit tighter, but it is very ba-ba-boom everywhere. The back of it is like low like this. This is, I just feel like, wow. I absolutely love these dresses. The quality of them, I can't even complain about. This one right here in particular does have a little bit of a hello knee slit. So let me get on this stool right here so that way you guys can see it. I wish this cut right here and the lining would line up just a little bit more. I wish there was a way to make sure like when I opened up this part right here, it lined up. That's the only complaint I have about this dress. I think it's comfortable. I would feel comfortable going to the prom in this or any event. Like, I just don't want this, like, I'm shook. But it's very nice. I love the line of the back here. Like, it's beautiful. Can you imagine prom pictures? Hello. I'm definitely doing photo shoots in these somewhere randomly because how can I not? What could beat this? Okay, let's see. So this is black. So I think I wanted to get a simple black dress. The material of it, I can already say, is super soft feeling. Let's see. So this one is a different shape of a dress. I remember just wanting to get, again, a very simple black dress because sometimes people just don't like a lot going on. And so this is what it looks like. Very long, simple, and then back here it just has straps. So there's not much to this dress, honestly. I saw this on the website in red and I wanted it in black. So again, this is a custom color. Let's try it on and see what I got to say about it. So who's that idiot that showed you guys this dress inside out? It's me. Hello. Hi, how are you doing? So I feel like this dress is a little bit bigger, but I do think it could be fixed pretty easily because it's these straps that need to be a little bit tighter. So this is what the dress looks like. Again, this is a little too low for me. It's not my favorite dress, but I think it's such a good classic go-to dress, and that's why I wanted to pick something out, because sometimes you just want something simple, and I feel like this is one of those dresses that's just simple, and it looks very nice. I literally have no complaints besides sizing, but I do think, like, one, it was me because I kind of made sure I was on the looser side, and two, I think you can get it altered, personally. But for them to change the color very easily, I think that's great. I think it's comfortable. I really like it. Just after those first two, like, I just am in love with the first two. That's basically it. You don't know what this one is either. Let's take a look. I remember. Okay, so this one, of course, is inside out, so let me adjust it. This one is definitely a lot heavier than any of the other ones. So this is what this dress looks like. I remember as soon as I saw this one online, I was like, I have to have it. It's gonna be beautiful. And so it looks like a very nice quality. Also, every time I get this out, I'm worried it's gonna be too short, but honestly, I think it's gonna be perfect. Let me go ahead and try this one on just because I don't like how this black one is fitting. It's a little too loose, so let's put this one on. Wow. First of all, it's a little ooh la la, but it's absolutely beautiful. And there's nothing like going to this mirror and just like being amazed by these dresses. Okay, so this is what this dress looks like. Right here, there are two slits. So there's one on this side and then one on this side. Unlike the last dress, I don't think the slits are too high. I think it's very appropriate. And the length of it, I think, would be just fine with heels. I put about 2 inches for heels, but look how beautiful and detail-oriented this dress is. Like, I'm so impressed. I do feel a little bit of the sequins right over here. So just like, keep that in mind, you know, you will get stabbed a little bit. I think that's in any dress you wear with all of the detailing. I think it's gorgeous. I love the color of it. I love it with my hair even. I just think it all looks great. Can someone take me somewhere, please? Like, I have to, this is like an amazing photo shoot dress. Everything's photo shoot dresses. Like, I feel really pretty and beautiful, and like, I'm so impressed. The quality is great, and I feel like for the prices, it's definitely worth it. I genuinely wish I had this website around when I was in high school, or I knew about it, or there's videos going around like these are, because, man, I think we have one more left, and I think this is a really big dress from what I remember. So, oh yeah, okay. This is one of the bigger dresses. I think this is more of a poofy dress. I wanted a red dress, of course, and so it's in here. Let's see what it looks like. So this is a two-piece dress, so hopefully this fits. Honestly, this reminds me of Indian clothes because our clothes is typically like 2 pieces. And so we have the top. What if I wore this with like my Indian clothing to a wedding? Totally could happen. Okay, wow. This is a skirt. I've never tried on a big skirt, so I'm really excited. I've never had a ball gown dress or anything like that. Hopefully this fits. So it's red, it's so simple. This genuinely I did get in the mind of, it's very big, like a prom dress would be. Like when I was in high school, a lot of people had big dresses like this. And then also I love the color. I think I got this one in burgundy, and then originally on the website it was in red. So I just got it a shade different. I think that's what I did. I will show you obviously like the original picture already if you haven't seen it somewhere here. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, hold on. I feel like a little girl. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. you guys this dress inside out. So when I was putting it on, I was like, oh my gosh, wait, it looks even more beautiful, like with this satin material. Guys, look at it. I just feel like this unboxing has been so fun because it's like, how many times do you get to dress up like this? This is great. Okay, first of all, the color is great. If I had any critiques immediately, I probably could say like the top could be just a tad bit tighter, and then this right here could be better like for my waist. But this is such a simple dress. This would have no issues getting tailored like at all. And that's the great thing about, you know, ordering a simple dress a little bit bigger. I think I messed up on the sizing, like barely, so everything still fits, but I would just like something to be a little bit tighter. But guys, I can't even complain. Look how beautiful this is. Like, I have to take pictures in this. How can I not? Wow, this is why people wear things like this to prom, isn't it? It's gorgeous. I'm so glad I tried on a dress like this for you all. I was kind of hesitant because I was like, this isn't what I typically go for. What I typically go for is maybe like the first or second dress I showed you. But this looks amazing, and I just, wow. All I can say is wow. I'm shook. There's really not much to say. Like, I'm really glad to be doing this video now because when these dresses get ordered, it does take about a month to get to you. And so when it comes to prom season, it's really nice to like order ahead of time, and then that way like you make sure you get the dresses you want. But these dresses are gorgeous, and I feel amazing in them. Here I am, back in my comfy clothes. I am shook. Like, I was not expecting to like these dresses as much as I was. Honestly, what I was really looking for when I got these dresses, do they look similar to the picture? A lot of times, we know on this channel that you'll buy something online, you'll buy something from overseas, and it just doesn't look the same, or it looks like a cheaper version of it. Honestly, these dresses feel great. They look beautiful. Every dress that I hoped it would look like, it came here looking like that. The sizing, genuinely, I think I could have went down just a tad bit, but that was like me sizing a little bit up when I gave him my measurements because I didn't want it to be too tight. My recommendation is, if it's not too detailed, if it doesn't have too much beading, it's okay to size up just a tad bit, and then take it to the tailor, get it to fit your body. You know, this is what you typically do if you get a dress from the prom store anyway, but you're saving so much money, it's insane. My parents did not want to give me that much money for a prom dress. I totally get it. You wear it once, it doesn't need to be too expensive. These dresses are so much less expensive than what you're going to see at the store, but the quality and the feeling you're going to get is just the same as if you got something from the store. I'm shook. I believe in this product. I believe in this company, and honestly, this was my first impression. I didn't know what to expect, but I really wish I knew these people when I was in high school because my expectations are so, like, it's so overwhelming. Like, my expectations were met. They were exceeded. I'm happy, and I feel happy and like low-key emotional just because like I hope this really helps someone else that doesn't have a lot of money to spend on prom dresses. Like, obviously these dresses are like $10 or $20, but it's not $800, and I know people that spend that much on prom dresses in high school. You know what I'm saying? So wow, I think all of these dresses are actually going to be in the description bar with 10% off. Thank you. We love a good code on my channel. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, more prom type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe we do another Amazon video, another Wish video, any other company you want me to see. Leave it in the description bar. Let's work together. Let's get more of these videos out because I enjoy making them, and I think you guys do too. Wow, amazing. Happy. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.